What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today we're gonna do a Dollar Tree DIY using this napkin holder from Dollar Tree, this head lamp also can be purchased from Dollar Tree, but you're gonna have to purchase batteries to go in it. Mod Podge, you already know, you can find that at Dollar Tree. Yarn, you can find at Dollar Tree too. Did not get this from Dollar Tree, but you know you can find it. And of course, a paintbrush, and get some old newspaper. Hopefully the kind without the glossy, just a more of a matte, type of newspaper. And that should complete all the items you need for this project. We're going to be making a rainbow light. With this, we're going to try to make a rainbow light. Let's begin. Okay, y'all, first thing I did was cut my paper into long strips. And what we're going to actually do is kind of paper mache, I guess that's what you would call it. And we're going to use our napkin holder as the frame, obviously. And then we're just going to wrap the paper around it using our Mod Podge, so we can have something to wrap our yarn around. Because you already know the yarn will keep slipping on the metal part. So once again, y'all, this is trial and error, but I'm thinking that should work. So I'm going to wrap the paper, and then once I do my first little wrap around, then I'll show y'all exactly what I'm doing. But I'm just giving y'all heads up of what I'm about to do. Okay, guys, so I just really dabbed the Mod Podge on there to get it started. And I want to make sure y'all can see it. And I just wrapped it around the napkin holder and made it tight. And then I'm holding it so we can get, so I can finish wrapping it. But I think we're off to a good start. And see, now it's on there. So let me show y'all this side while y'all can see it better. See? So I just wrapped it around there. And you could trim it later so, no paper would be showing. But for right now, I'm just trying to make sure it's sticking properly. So that's how I got started. I just applied the Mod Podge on the actual napkin holder. And then I put the paper around it, as you see. So I'm finish wrapping it. And I'm just going to wrap it around. And keep wrapping and putting Mod Podge on it. And then I'll come back once I finish wrapping all the paper around it. Okay, y'all, I already did the top, as you see, the newspaper. And I just want to show before I started the next layer. And I just literally put the glue, apply the glue on the napkin holder on both sides. And then I'll put the paper around it. So I just wanted to show y'all how I put the glue on it and then put the paper around it. So I'm going to complete this center part and then I'll be right back. Okay, guys, let your paper dry so we can make sure it is staying down properly. And then we're going to put more glue on it for our yarn. And then we're just going to simply wrap our yarn. But we're going to start from like right here. So it's going to be, well, I'll show you guys. Okay, guys, I just wanted to show you what I'm actually doing. I'm just simply going around it with my yarn, applying glue, and then, going around and making sure it's tight. Now, you might want to paint yours. After I started, I was like, you know what? I should have painted this white maybe. So, because look, you can see it. So what I'm going to end up doing is probably not can to keep it real with you because you can't really see it. But it just depends on what, who you doing this for or whatever. If you're doing it for yourself, leave it as is. But I would suggest maybe paint it white if you don't want to see the newspaper print or whatever the case may be. So that's just a suggestion, guys. So I'm going to complete this and then we're going to add our light next. But I'm liking it so far. And it's real easy, guys. It's not hard. I thought I was going to have to like double yarn it, if that even is a word. But it's giving me good coverage. So let me finish. Okay, guys, I finally finished. Look how cute it is. Okay, y'all. Now, I tried the light that I showed you. I'm not going to even turn it on because I value y'all eyes so y'all can watch all my videos. Thank you. This bad boy is too bright, okay? Now, it fit perfectly under here. I try to add. Let me show y'all. Ooh. Look how cute it would have been. But baby, I try to add clouds. Y'all, that joint just so bright. So if y'all need a bright light, go and holler at this. It's very convenient. It's very bright. So I'm gonna keep this by my bed. But I decided to use this, which you can also find at Dollar Tree. So I'm just gonna thread this through the entire rainbow right here, and then use this as my night light. So let me try to do this and show you if it works or not. And there you have it, guys. It works. The rainbow light. Okay, guys, I'm in love with it. And so all I did was made the lights go through there. It probably would be easier if y'all gonna do this route. Put them lights in there first. Wait a minute. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Cause it took a second before I was able to get them lights in there. So find a way that works best for you guys. It might work best if you might can put them through before you actually start the yarn process. But since it was last minute, I'm not sure how that will work the best way. So anyway, I used it, and I just threaded through there. Hold on. I actually used this, which also could be found at the Dollar Tree. I think there's some kind of, I don't know what the heck that is, barbecue pin thing. I don't know what that is. But I use it for everything. It's one of my best crafting tools. So I just wrapped the lights around there and dropped it and then pulled it through there, guys. So that's how I did it. But look how cute that is. And also, if you have some pillow stuffing, look how cute that is when you add the clouds on top of it. And you just sit it on there and it gives you the cloud effect. And the lights still go through the clouds. How cute is it? It turned out way better than I thought it would, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If y'all like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Y'all can't tell me this is not super duper cute. Yes. Come on through, Nightlight.